My name is Shailesh and I come with about 24 years of experience, and I am a master black belt and also a lead auditor in ISO 9001 and 27001. I am also a registered coordinator in the COPC standard. Today we are here in Africa, and we are here to spread the awareness and the education of Lean Six Sigma training and certification. Of course, this is a very old philosophy and methodology which has been used across the entire world. However, the awareness is very less, and hence we are doing a seminar over here in Africa at Kigali, where we have associated with quite a lot of entrepreneurs and also very proactive people who have nominated themselves to take part as part of this particular seminar. So today, we are sharing the entire knowledge, the objective of why should they undergo the training, and after the training, what are they supposed to do, how are they supposed to implement this entire methodology in their respective profiles and in their respective business. So this entire seminar is scheduled for 2 days, where the entire exercises are happening. End of day today, the entire team will be able to very capably understand the philosophy and at the same time implement the same thing in their respective profiles. The people who have joined us are all from a working background. Every single person who has nominated themselves or who has been sponsored by their own companies have come over here to understand what exactly is Lean Six Sigma, how are they going to implement, and what are the results going to be after they implement this particular methodology in their respective businesses. So all the participants have been very active till now and very participative, and they are very curious, very enthusiastic till now. So I'm looking very much forward where these guys will implement Lean Six Sigma methodology in their respective profiles and come out with very great business results. Thank you so very much.